How to fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Well, if your microphone is working for all other apps and not just working for Snapchat, it might just be the permission issue. To fix this particular issue, you want to head over to your settings. Once on your settings, you want to head into the apps option down below so you can see the apps, and from here you want to look in for Snapchat. I'll just open up Snapchat. Basically on the Snapchat app info, here you can see the permissions option. Now here you want to tap on microphone and you want to make sure that it is allowed. You can either allow only while using the app or ask every time, but you want to make sure it is not on don't allow. Then this will fix the issue. Once you have done so, close the application, head over to Play Store and check for the update. If the update is available, update the app, and now your issue should be fixed once you restart the app. This is how you can fix microphone not working on Snapchat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.